Spearfish, the crown jewel of the world-famous Black Hills of South Dakota. Spearfish is a progressive and growing community located in the heart of one of the most economically vibrant regions of the Midwest. We're proud of our city, blending small-town charm with economic and cultural diversity, making us a one-of-a-kind micropolitan community. Spearfish is a leader in the arts and public education. Our city is surrounded by the unmatched beauty of the Black Hills, and we offer endless year-round recreational opportunities. Most importantly, our doors are always open to new and expanding industries. Whether you are an entrepreneur looking to start a small business or a Fortune 500 company looking to grow and expand, you'd be wise to take a serious look at what Spearfish has to offer. When it comes to doing business, Spearfish is naturally inviting.